Hello all. Lecture 2 of Anthropology Current Affairs, which is very much useful. The developmental programs of government for the sake of amelioration of tribal population. Several schemes are there, but I will tell you one particular aspect by which you will understand that the political will is absent from the government side for the development, for the welfare of the tribal population. For example, International Labour Organization had a convention in 1989 under which rights of the indigenous people need to be protected, rights of the individual need to be protected, mainly with respect to tribal rights over land and tribal rights over natural resources. The sad thing is, India has not ratified yet. India has not ratified yet this International Labour Organization Convention, which talks about the rights of indigenous people. This is a sad thing, that India is telling that we are for the tribal people, we are for the development of the backward people, we are for the marginalized sections. Then why you are not ratifying the International Labour Organization Indigenous Rights on Tribal Population? So this one aspect is proving that the government is uninterested, antipathy with respect to tribal development. So there is a reform, so there is a requirement, there is a demand. In conclusion, right answer, if really government of India is committed for the development of the tribals, immediately they have to ratify International Labour Organization 1989, rights of indigenous people. Thank you. Jai Hind. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button.